Happy birthday, Miguel! Kumusta ka na? Sana masaya ka sa birthday mo ngayon. Sana, hindi mo kami kalimutan mga kaibigan mo. Magpakabait ka palagi at yun lang. Happy birthday ulit, Miguel!
Hello, Miguel. I just want to greet you a happy birthday. I hope your special day filled with joy and that the year brings you some opportunities and achievements you truly deserve. Happy birthday! Enjoy!
Happy birthday, Miguel! Wishing you a day full of fun, laughter, and everything that makes you smile. God bless and see you soon!
Happy birthday! Punta ba kami dyan, anak? Oh, sige, pupunta kami ni Kuya Mac, ni Jella. Kaming tatlo, pati si Ate Chebo. See you!
Hello Miguel, happy 30th birthday. Ito na, totoo ng Kuya Mac to, hindi mo nakikita sa SM ha. Lagi ng kamukha ni Kuya Mac ha. Happy birthday, mag-aral ka mabuti. Ingat.
Hello po Kuya Miguel, happy birthday po. Basta happy birthday. Ingat ka po palagi kung nasa kamay.
Happy birthday, Miguel! Enjoy your day and mag-enjoy ka.
Ingat ka palagi.
Okay, ingat. Okay.
Hi Miguel, happy birthday and ingat ka palagi at galingan mo pa sa pagiging member ng Tamadal. Love you.
Happy birthday, Miguel. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday Miguel. More birthdays to come. More chup chup.
Hi Miguel, happy birthday. Sana naalala mo pa ako. I pray na lumaki kang mabait at maging mabuting anak, mabuting pamangkin at mabuting citizen ng bansang Pilipinas. Miss you Miguel, happy birthday.
Hi Miguel, happy birthday, happy 13th birthday. Welcome to the teenage year. Just be brave enough, be true to yourself, and everything you do, put God first. Again, happy birthday, enjoy your day.